There's one haircut request that stylists quietly dread. Not because it's hard to cut, but because the moment they hear it, they already know it's going to add 10 years to your face. It's the haircut so common, so safe, that almost every woman over 60 has either asked for it or been talked into it without even realizing what she was doing to her own reflection. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why this one cut has been quietly aging women for decades, and which 5 styles are doing the opposite right now. One of them might already be sitting in your hairstylist's lookbook, waiting for you to finally ask for it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Glow, the channel where looking good after 60 doesn't require a big budget or a complete personality change, just a little insider knowledge. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about real, doable beauty and style tips made specifically for women who want to feel like themselves, only better. Before we get into today's 5 haircuts, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next, because trust me, this channel is about to become your new best friend for looking effortlessly put together. Now before we dive in, I want you to do one quick thing. Drop a comment below and tell me your current hair length, short, medium or long, because by the end of this video, you might be ready to change that answer completely. What is the granny cut, and why does it age you? So let's talk about it. The cut nobody wants to admit they have. You know the one. Short all over, rounded at the edges, tucked neatly behind the ears, with maybe a little perm thrown in for easy maintenance. It's the cut hairdressers sometimes call the helmet, because that's exactly what it looks like, a helmet sitting on top of your head instead of hair that moves with your face. Here's the problem nobody tells you. As we age, our face naturally loses some volume around the cheeks and jaw. That's just biology, nothing to be ashamed of. But when you pair that with a tight, rounded, helmet-style haircut, you're doing the opposite of what your face needs. You're adding bulk exactly where you don't want it, and removing any softness or movement near your face, which is exactly where you do want it. The result? A cut that ages you instead of flattering you, even though it was probably chosen because it felt appropriate or low maintenance. The good news is, none of the 5 cuts I'm about to show you require more effort than that. They're not high maintenance. They're just smarter. Haircut number 1. The soft shag. First up, the soft shag. Now don't picture the choppy 70s shag your mind might be jumping to. This is a modern, softened version with light layers throughout and gentle face-framing pieces near the cheeks. The layers create movement, and movement is what tricks the eye into seeing volume and softness instead of flatness. This cut works beautifully whether your hair is fine or thick, because the layers do the heavy lifting either way. If your hair is fine, the layers create the illusion of fullness. If it's thick, they remove bulk and weight so it doesn't sit heavy on your head. It's one of those rare cuts that genuinely works for almost every hair type, which is probably why you'll start noticing it on women you admire once you know what to look for. Haircut number 2. The chin length bob with a twist. Next we have a bob, but not the bob you're picturing. This is a slightly angled, chin length bob with just a touch of texture added through the ends. Not blunt, not severe, just enough texture to keep it from looking stiff. The secret here is the angle. A straight across, blunt bob can look harsh on a softer, more mature jawline. But angle it slightly longer in the front, shorter in the back, and suddenly it's framing your face instead of boxing it in. This is the cut your stylist has probably suggested before, and you said no to, without realizing it's actually one of the most flattering options for your face shape. Quick pause, because I want to know something. Out of the 5 we're covering, which one are you already imagining on yourself? Drop the number in the comments, 1 or 2, because I read every single one of them. And if this video is helping you see your hair differently already, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more women just like you who are tired of being told to play it safe with their hair. Haircut number 3. Long layers with curtain bangs. Yes, you read that right, long hair. The myth that women over 60 need to chop everything off is exactly that, a myth. What actually matters isn't length, it's structure. Long layers paired with soft curtain bangs that part in the middle and frame both sides of your face can look incredibly youthful, elegant, and effortless. The curtain bangs do something clever. They draw the eye toward your eyes and cheekbones, away from any areas you might feel less confident about, like the forehead or the lower face. And because they're not a full blunt fringe, they require almost no daily styling, just a quick finger comb and you're done. Haircut number 4. The pixie with longer top layers. If you do want to go short, this is the version to ask for, not the helmet cut, but a pixie with noticeably longer layers on top that can be styled up, swept to the side, or even left a little tousled. The shorter sides keep things easy to manage, while the longer top gives you styling versatility most shortcuts simply don't offer. This cut tends to suit women who want low-maintenance hair but still want options. Some mornings sleek and swept back, other mornings soft and textured. One haircut, multiple looks, and absolutely zero granny energy. Haircut number 5. The layered lob. Finally, the layered lob. A longer bob that hits somewhere between the chin and the shoulders, with soft internal layers that create gentle waves and movement without needing a curling iron every single day. This length tends to be incredibly forgiving because it's long enough to tuck behind the ears or pull back slightly, but short enough to avoid that flat, weighed down look longer hair can sometimes create. It's often called the no-rules haircut because it adapts to almost any styling routine, whether you're a 5-minute, air-dry kind of woman, or someone who loves a little extra effort on special occasions. So let's recap quickly. The soft shag for effortless movement. The angled chin length bob for face framing structure. Long layers with curtain bangs if you want to keep your length. The longer pixie for short hair with styling options. And the layered lob for that forgiving, no-rules versatility. 5 completely different vibes, but every single one of them shares the same goal: softness, movement, and face framing. Instead of the rounded, heavy helmet shape that quietly ages so many women without them ever realizing it. If this video just changed how you're going to talk to your stylist next time, let me know in the comments which cut you're going to try first. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Timeless Glow, because next week we're tackling another topic that's probably been hiding in plain sight, just like this one. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next video.